Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, students. Good evening.
Sir, we have rational numbers.
Yes, Sholan. Rational numbers, first chapter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after this, we'll revise rational numbers. Fine. 3B was also done, not 3B. Okay, 4A was done, 4B. Let's continue with 4B. The six students, how many of them? Was Mariana present today? Charisha, Mariana,
Sir, Mariana was present.
present. Charisha, Adia,
Arya was present.
why they haven't attended? Okay, we'll start. Can you all see the screen? All of you?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Mariana.
Sir, we got a timetable.
When is your exam, Shalit?
Sir, one
Send
minute.
it. Yeah, send it
First
to me.
exam is maths.
Good.
Sir, 13th onwards our exam starts and 14th we have a study holiday. 15th on Friday max. Sir.
15th max, not on 16th.
No, sir, 16th is Saturday we have grammar. Only one day holiday we have, sir.
For max,
Yes, sir, for max.
then only today's first 12 days left. Okay, fine.
I'm gonna send it in a group. I've sent it to you the timetable.
Yeah, got it, Lemuel. I'll check. Fine, we'll start, students. We'll start with this. Find the cube root. Know how to find the cube root, right? Using factorization. All of you, may I
Excuse
audible?
me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you send the timetable in the group, sir? I didn't go
Yeah,
to
I'll share
school.
it. I'll share later. I'll share it later.
Yes.
First, start solving this. Exercise 4B. First main, third question. So first main, seventh
Sir,
question. What's the cube?
did you receive it?
How do you find cube root of this? Whenever 8,000 zeros are given, how do you split?
Uh,
There are two ways you can split and do, if not factorize 8,000. How do you split this?
Sir, 10 into 1000, sir. 10 into 10.
8 into 1,000. Okay, 8 into 1,000. Next step. What is the factor of 8? Sorry,
Sir, 2 into 4, sir.
2 into 2. Lemula, you write 2 into 4, you get 0.
Sorry, sir, sorry, sir.
Okay, if you want full marks, you have to write it like this. You can write 2 into 4, no problem, but you'll get 0. Fine, from yesterday you're telling this 2 into 4.
Sorry, sir, got confused.
Okay, fine. How can you write 2 into 4 for this? We are factorizing, right? 2 into 2. Okay, next.
10 into 10 into 10.
Yes, 3. You'll write it like this, you'll get full marks. Apart from this, you write other things, you'll get 0. Okay, after factorizing, how many time numbers you have to group? This is cube root, right? For cube root, 3 numbers. From this, what do we get?
2, sir.
Was it Dhriti? Who answered?
Sir, Akanksha, sir.
Akansha. What's the answer, Akansha?
Sir, 2 into 10, sir. 20.
2 into 10 is 20. This is how we have to solve, students. Whenever zeros are given, I've already told you all 8,000, 27,000, all such values, split the zeros and cube. If it is square, same, split zeros. And if not, you can even factorize 8,000. Factorize 8,000. How many uh, chapters are pending? How many chapters ma'am has to do?
Mom is gonna finish for us.
Sets done?
Identities. She's in identities. She's gonna finish
Okay, set.
identities.
Fine, Lemila. Sets, how many exercise did ma'am do in sets?
So she finished all the exercises, sir, for us.
Now, how many exercises you'll have?
So
Two
only
or
one
three?
exercise.
We have 6A, 6B, 6C, and 6D, sir.
All 4 done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we need 1 week for that. What about identities? How many exercise? Okay, we'll see, student, how much of possible we'll finish. If it is on 15th, another 1 week to 14. Okay, fine. We are done. Shall I erase this? Shall I erase this question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Jwana, are you doing it? Dhriti, Jwana, Mariana.
Yes, sir.
Is Dhriti online? Dhriti, Mariana. Okay, second main. Which question shall we solve from the second main? Pick any one question from second main.
So the sixth question, sir.
This one, 729.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 729 into 8,000. There is multiplication in between, right? There is multiplication. Cube root. Yeah, try this. You have to factorize this and this. And this number, try to split this. What do you get if you split?
The 8 into 1000.
Correct. 8 into 1,000. Then later factorize that.
Done, sir.
So done, sir.
Okay, just a minute.
So 9 into 2 into 10, which is 180, sir.
Yeah, just a minute, Akansh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's the answer for this, students? What did you say,
So yes,
Akansha?
sir. So 9 into 9 into 9. So first 729 into 8 into 1000, sir.
Okay.
And then 729
Like,
cube is
look
9
here.
into 9 into
But
9.
just a minute, just a minute. For cube root, first put this cube root symbol. Then
Yes,
till
sir.
you make,
Cube
yeah,
is
till you make group, right as it is. 729 into, split this. You
729
get,
into 8 into 1000.
if you don't split this, students, look here. If you don't split 8000, it will be difficult to factorize from 2, then again from 2. That would take a lot of time. Next, for
Uh,
729,
it is 9 into 9 into 9, sir.
it will not, that 9 cube is 729. How many of you will remember this? 9 cube is 729.
Remember, sir.
Okay. So 9 cube, how many times 9 is present?
3 times, sir.
3 times. So instead of factorizing, write 9 3 times like this. Or you try to
And then
factorize, you get the same value. Then,
2 into 2 into 2.
yes, for 8, it is 2 into 2 into 2. And
And 10 into 10 into 10.
yes, 3 zeros for 10. And cube root, you have to
And
factorize group 3
three,
numbers.
uh, 3 numbers, sir. Sorry, 1 number, sir. 9 into 2 into 10, which is 180.
Yeah, 9 2 is 18. 18 into 10 is 180. So this is how we solve. Okay, all the questions. Look here. Not only this, even the seventh question, you have to
Excuse me,
factorize both.
sir.
So can we
This one.
even solve the third question, sir?
Yeah, try it. No, without solving, can you give me the answer for the third one? How much is 343? Cube root of 343?
7 into 7 into 7, sir.
95
Yeah,
into
so
7.
so what you get from numerator only 7, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And denominator, what do you get?
So 8 into 8 into 8.
8 or 6? Sorry, 8. So
8,
7,
7.
7 by what?
8.
8, that's it. 7 by 8. What about first one? Give me direct answer for the first one.
So yes,
Second minute.
sir. Uh, so 27.
3,
So 3 by 2, 3 by 2, sir.
3 by 2,
4.
sir.
3 by 4.
Sorry, 3 by 4, sir.
27
Sorry,
by
sir.
64. If you factorize this, 27 is 3
3
into
by
3.
23. Divided
And
by
23.
4 into
Divided
4.
by 4 into 4 into 4.
3 by 4, sir.
yes. So when you group this, you take out 3 by 4. Okay, second question. What's the direct answer for second one?
So second question, 125.
5
25.
cube.
So 5
So
into
5
5
cube
into
by
5, 5, and 6 into 6.
cube, sir.
Yeah, so
5
I need
cube.
the
Yes,
final
sir.
answer. 5 into 5 into 5,
So 5
6.
by 6, sir.
5 by 6, sir.
5 by 6. Take 5 from numerator, 6 from denominator. 5 by 6. That's it. All the question do the same thing. What about the fourth one? What's the answer for the fourth one?
The fourth one.
4 into
So
9.
it is 8 into things, sir. 9, sir. 8 into 9,
8 nines are
which is
72.
72.
Look here. What's this cube root of 64? How many times you write 4?
So 4, sir.
4
4
times.
So
into
4
4 into
into
4.
4 into 4.
And what is the cube root of 729?
3 into 9 into
So
9 into
into
9.
9 into
9
9
into
into
9.
9, sir.
So if you want to factorize and check 729 9 times or 3 times, okay, you'll end up getting the same value. And when you cube, why do we group like this? Can you give me reason why do we group? Three numbers.
So because if we
So because it
multiply
is
all
cube,
three, we'll
sir.
get big value.
Who's that giving silly answers? Is it Mariana? Why do we group Mariana? I know you'll get big answer. Why do we group it? Can you see this cube root symbol?
Sir,
Cube root?
because it is cube
Because
root,
it's
sir.
cubes.
Hmm. Because it's cube. I know that you have to remove this cube root, right? You have to
Yes.
remove this cube root. Okay, look here. This cube root remains as it is. How do you write this 4 three times? 4 cube multiplied by 9.
Three times and that cube gets cancelled.
Cube and cube gets cancelled. You can write it separately like this, and 9 cube. Okay, then this cube and this cube roots gets cancelled. So that's the reason we get just 4 into 9. We don't get cube root. We just get 4 into 9. This in the beginning also I've taught, and you're giving silly answers for this. Cube roots gets cancelled. So what's the answer? 4 nines are
36.
36. Okay, that's it. Other questions you'll try to, it's the same. Third main, find the cube root. Even for third main, it's the same. For fourth main, and when minus is given for cube root, it is minus.
Minus,
Okay, remember this: a cube minus a cube. What's the answer you get?
so minus only minus
Minus.
so
Because what's the
minus
reason? What's the reason? What's the degree?
because when minus is
Degree.
multiple, three is
No, no. Order. I've taught you right. If it is odd,
or it
you'll
is
get
minus
minus. So for cube root, what's the degree for cube root?
3
3. So 3 is odd. So if the question is negative, your answer also should be
negative.
negative. For square, if it is negative, your answer will be
Positive.
positive because 2 is even number. 2 is even number. Remember like that. Whenever you have minus, see all these questions. Can you see this third main? Everything is negative. All the values are negative, right? So
So
even your answer should be negative. We'll try one question. Try the sixth question. Third main, sixth one. Minus 5 1 by 2. Cube root of 5 1 by 2 divided by 343. Is Dhriti online? Unmute the call, Dhriti. Why is Dhriti not answering?
8 by
No,
7, sir.
your voice is not audible, Dhriti. Log in. Rejoin. Just a minute, Akansha. Diyashri, are you doing it? Joanna, Diyashri, why are you silent?
yes,
Not
sir.
solving question.
I'm doing, sir.
So can I answer this question?
Yes, answer this, Diyashri.
So yes, sir. So 512 cube is 8. So 8 into 8 into 8 divided by 7 into 7 into 7. We get it as minus 8 by 7. So
How many of you got this?
same answer,
Correct.
sir.
Sir, same answer.
Okay, remaining questions, you'll try. Fourth main, any one question. Yeah, Joanna, which question shall we solve? Fourth main.
Sir, so the fifth question.
Fourth main, fifth. Okay, try. All of you will try this and Joanna will answer this. 15.625. When there is decimal, how do you solve this? When there is decimal, we remove this, remove the decimal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So eliminate this decimal, divide by what? Divide by
1000.
1000. Others, you will remember this whenever there is decimal. Make a note of this. When you have decimal in the question, first remove the decimal, divide by 1000. You have to find the cube root of minus 15625 divided by 1000. Any decimal question, remove the decimal, divide it by hundreds, thousand, or 10,000, and solve it.
So answer will be, sorry.
What is it? Did you solve it?
So one second.
Is Dhriti online? No, your voice is not audible, Dhriti. Can anyone hear Dhriti? All of y'all, can you hear Dhriti? No, right? Your voice is not audible, Dhriti. Okay, what's the answer for this, Joanna? Did everyone solve? 1 5.
So one.
Okay, 15625. Factorize this. And you'll know for 1000, what's the factor? For 1000, how do you write this 1000? How do you write
So
1000?
10 into 10 into 10. So
Three zeros are given, so split into three tens. 10 into 10 into 10. You have to only factorize numerator. If you don't divide by this, if you don't remove the decimal, it will become difficult. 6, 5 threes are. Done. How many times 5 gets divided?
sir, 3125 times. So
Okay, after this,
after that, 625,
okay, next
125,
120.
25 and 5, sir.
Then 5 into 25, 5 fives are, then 5 ones are, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. All these 5. How many times? 6. I'll just write it like this: 5, 6 times. Okay, you have to group how many numbers for cube root? Group
So
how
three
many?
numbers.
3 numbers. 3 in the numerator and 3. And when you pick out the values, write only once, because out of 3, the cube roots gets cancelled. So what do you get? Numerator 5 into 5 divided by
10, sir.
10. Don't reduce this, students. Multiply. 5 5s are 25, right? 25 divided by 10. Okay, there is 10 here. How do you convert into decimal? How many
So
zeros are here?
2.1.
Correct, 2.5. There is 1 0, so one position, 2.5. Fine. Fifth and sixth, we'll do it later. Seventh question. Any one question? Which one shall we try from the seventh main?
So the second question, sir. The
Which
second
one?
question.
No,
So
the
the
eighth
fourth
question,
So the
sir.
first question.
Okay, second. Who told eighth? There's no eighth question.
Or is the seventh question?
Okay, seven, eight.
Seventh question, sir. Yes, sir.
The
Seventh question.
second is easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second
We'll
is
do
easy.
seventh question, sir. Sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
216 and 1728. Do you all remember 1728 cube root?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So the fifth and sixth is pending, right?
Yeah, fifth main and sixth main is pending.
Yes, sir.
We'll do that later. Okay, seventh main. Second question. What's the cube root of 216?
6.
Six.
Minus 216 into 1728. Look, in exam you'll have to elaborate and write the cube root and everything. Now just answer it in short. Minus 6 into 1728. What's the cube root of 17? I told you to memorize. 1331 is for 11.
Yes, sir.
1728 is for 12.
12.
12. Okay, so you get minus 6. You're supposed to write minus 6 three times. Minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. 12 into 12 into 12. So what do you pick from this? From this minus 6 into 12. What's the final answer? Minus
72, sir. Minus 7.
Sir.
minus 72. Okay, then which question you last?
Seventh question.
Seventh question. Okay, seventh means sixth and seventh. Both I'll solve both. Seventh means sixth. I'll tell you all. You have to do it later. When there is decimal, how do you solve this? When there is decimal,
So
how
we
do we
should
solve?
divide. So divide it by
Yeah, divided by how many zeros?
3 zeros.
Three zeros. So remove the decimal. Do it like this. For 10,000, what do you get? For 10,000, sorry, for 1,000, 10 three
10
times.
into 10 into.
Okay, how do you find the cube root of this numerator?
So factorize.
Factorize. Okay, this would take some time. Factorize and later split into three numbers and get the answer. Okay, next seventh main seventh question. Last question, then we'll start rational numbers. Seventh main seventh.
Factorize.
Okay, try this. Try one question. Find the cube root of minus 1756. Which method do we use, Mariana?
Sub prime factorization.
Correct. You know only the methods, the names, you don't know how to do it.
So now sir, I'm doing it's a very big value.
But you're not answering. You just answer the methods, names, and other things. You're not answering the question. Only for square roots, you'll have division method. For cube roots, you don't have division method. 175616. So what's the last value given here? Even or odd? 6 is even or odd?
Even, sir.
Even number.
So even number. Prime numbers, you have to use only 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So the six is even number, start from 2. Try this question. The students done?
So yes, sir. Can I tell?
Yes. In what way you're doing, I should answer, right?
Sir,
Yes.
two eights are 16, sir. One carry over.
Okay, one. Then two sevens are 14.
Two sevens are 14. Carry over, sir. Two eights are 16.
Okay.
Two eights are 16, sir.
After that,
So two eights are 16. One six, two eights are 16.
no, you can't write direct. Direct 16. How many of you all got this correct? How do you solve
The
this?
second one I got 87808.
Yes. How do you divide this? Two eights are 16. Then remainder one, bring down
Remainder
5.
1,
Two
2
sevens are
sevens are 14. Remainder 1 brings 6.
two eights are
2 is a 16.
16.
Bring 1, 1 is not divisible, zeros.
Lemula one divisible by 2. Lemula is one divisible by 2.
No, sir.
Then you have to bring down another number. Before bringing down this, you have to add 0 in the quotient.
Quotient.
So what do you get?
Two eights are 16, sir. 8780.
So it is 87808, not 8788. Fine.
Yes, sir.
87808.
So next one,
87808. Next.
43904.
For next.
21952.
Next.
10976.
Okay, from here. No, no, from here, Sherlin will continue. Is Sherlin online?
Sir, I
Yeah, tell
made
me.
I made a mistake, so I have to do the entire sum once again. This is a big value.
So what? How many? It's been 5 minutes, right? You didn't do it?
Sir, I'm doing it so that thing by some mistake somewhere I made, sir. So getting to do, sir.
Sir, shall I present?
Tell me, Akanshi.
Sir, it's 10,976 to
1976. Then
10,976.
you have written it, Akansha. Next. 1976. Next.
No, it's 10,976, sir.
Two ones are two. Okay, 10,976. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. And then 5,488.
Okay, then
One second,
two
sir.
into.
One second, sir. I don't, one second.
Can I continue?
Yes, Lamula.
Sir, two twos are 4.
Okay, two twos are
One
four.
carry. One carry over to sevens are 14, or to threes are 6, to fours are 2, 7, 3, 4.
Okay, next.
Two ones are, two threes are 6.
Carry one.
One carry over. Two six are 12.
Okay.
Excuse
Two
me,
seven.
sir. Excuse me,
One three
sir.
six seven, sir.
Yes. Yeah, tell me, Akansha.
Oh, actually, the value I've written is wrong, sir. You have written 5,468, so it's 88.
5,004. Two fives are 10. Two fours are 8. Yeah, two eights are 60.
Yes, sir.
5,488.
And
Yeah,
then
then
it
what
is
do we get?
744, sir.
2007. 44.
744, sir.
Okay, then 1003
1000 as
72.
1372 and then
Sir, 686.
686. Then
343.
it's a very lengthy question. 686.
It continues from 7 tables, no, sir? 343.
for
Yeah,
340.
343. After 343, 3 it continue from 7 table. 7 and
749, 7 sevens, 7 ones.
7. Okay, you all write it in straight horizontal way. Okay, I'll do it. I'll just group it like this. These second group, third.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how should we write this in the exam, sir?
This is how you have to do it, Mariana. There's no other option.
One full page for this, sir.
Yeah. Why they don't provide extra sheet, additional sheet for you all?
No, sir. Like,
Provide, sir.
Then ask additional sheet and do it. Fine.
2 into 2 into 2 into 7, so it is 56.
Cube root 2 into 2 into
2
right. Yeah,
into,
put cube root and write all the values. Group it.
yes,
2
sir.
into 7. What's the answer? 8 sevens are
56. 56.
okay. Mariana, I've taught you another method. Easier method. Do you remember?
So, yes, sir, that borrow.
No, not that.
Not borrow, sir, that's the reminder. And
Questions are tough. I've taught you another method. What is it?
okay, sir.
You can skip the question, right?
No, sir.
Yeah. If you feel it's difficult, lengthy, just skip the question. You'll get 0. That's the easiest method. Okay, 4B done, students. Any doubt in this? 4A, 4B, 3A, 3B. All those chapters are done. Even exponents is done.
So, 5th and 6th, it will do it in the last, no, sir.
Which one?
And 6th,
Fifth
mean.
and sixth. Yeah, fifth and sixth. Now I'll do that.
Yes, sir.
No, not now. Let us start with rational numbers. 2 or 3 days before exam, I'll do it. It's very simple, Lamula. Find the
Sir.
smallest number by which should be divided. Same thing. You have to find this. You have to divide and multiply. Because now, if I teach this, you will definitely forget. So 2 or 3 days before exam, I'll teach you all the word problems.
Yes, sir.
I remember. I marked it here. I remember. Okay, it is 6:20. We'll continue at 6:20. I'll give you a 5 minutes break. We'll continue at 6:20.
After you finish these division, you have to start with sets. So, sets is vast portions, sir.
Yeah, I'll start with sets. We'll continue after break.
Excuse me,
So we
sir.
don't have identities, sir.
I'll start, students. Okay, fine. Let others take break. Yeah, tell me, Akansha.
Most wanted identities are the main.
Okay, identities next. What else?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Joanna doesn't have a textbook, sir.
Yes, sir. I do.
Textbook. Okay, what will you do, Joanna?
Sir, no,
Sir,
sir,
it's
she
fine.
left it in the desk. I saw.
Okay,
Okay.
and someone send Joanna the rational numbers pics. You'll have a number. Okay, I'll send it, Joanna. I'll send it to your number. Which one? The rational numbers. I have to send everything 1A, 1B. You'll have Joanna's number. Any one of you? Fine, I'll send it, Joanna. I'll take a peek and send.
Yes, sir.
Can you all see the screen, all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next, rational numbers, square roots. Are you all thorough with square and square roots, except what problems? All of you all?
Yes, sir.
See, Mariana, Shalin, Mariam, Diyashri, Kansha, Joanna, who else should attend?
Sir, what is RV, sir? RW?
What is it? What is it, Mariana?
Sir,
Square
rational
roots.
numbers.
Yeah,
Rational.
rational numbers will revise square roots, then percent and percentage. Few questions left. Then we'll move on to even construction. Exponents is also done. Construction is also done. Okay, understanding shapes will have to revise. Special quadrilaterals, sets and identities left. So today, check the first Friday. Monday we'll start with sets. Shall we start with sets or revise other chapters? What shall we do?
Sir, sets, sir.
Sets. Okay, fine.
So we'll start the
Because
next
I
chapter.
didn't understand anything.
Yeah, I'll finish. I plan to start sets next week. Today and tomorrow, rational numbers revision. And tomorrow I'll send you a test paper. Then Sunday you'll have class. Okay, for another 2 weeks you'll have to adjust students. Tolerate Sunday's class. Rational numbers, cube. Okay, and every day one construction. Are you all doing those construction questions? We did three, right? Three or four? Three questions done.
So we did
Four,
in
sir.
first make
Fourth question I
questions.
gave you for homework. Only Diyashri sent, I guess. Nobody else sent. Did you send it?
Today we'll be doing construction, so
Later, one construction question. Every day, one construction. Akansha, I've
sir,
already
no,
clearly
sir,
told you all, right?
today is sir, today I can't do so. My pouch is in my class, sir. Like when we go for the other class, I left it there, sir.
Better when you stay in class, Akansha. Every day you miss textbook, geometry box.
Sir, not
Better
me,
you stay
sir.
in class.
That was Tanishka. Only today I left my pouch, sir.
Is it yesterday or day before yesterday also someone didn't construct?
That was Tanishka, sir. Tomorrow I'll go get it, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
No, you get it tomorrow, but you have to do it.
Yes, sir. Today's question I'll do it tomorrow and send it to you.
Yeah, you get tomorrow, you leave it. But you have to do the question and send it. Send it tomorrow. Okay, we'll start with rational numbers. Open page 9. All of you all. Open page number 9, students. Rational numbers. Exercise 1A.
Yes, sir.
We'll quickly revise one or two questions. That's it. You'll know the first main, right? Addition, subtraction.
Yes,
Which
sir.
method do we use? Which method do we use? First main, first and second main. LCM.
Yeah, we take LCM and solve.
We take LCM and do it. First, second, and third main LCM. We'll just solve one question from this. Third main, I want you all to do the second question. I'll give you all 5 minutes, 2 minutes time. Third main, second question. Even this chapter, you all can score full. Any question from this chapter, you can score full marks. Third main, second question. Who texted Diyashri? No, Dhriti, your voice is not audible. Others, can you hear Dhriti talking? Other
No,
students,
sir.
unmute the call, Dhriti. Unmute the call and talk. Fine, you
None,
can
sir.
just text. Are you doing this question, Dhriti? Did you understand all this? Third means second question. 3, 5, 3, 5. Different numbers are given. Okay, fine. Look, 3 and 3 are same students. Denominators are same. If you want, you can arrange them and do it. If not, take LCM. I think you can take LCM for all 4. And this is plus into minus given. Plus into minus. So rewrite the question first. What is plus into minus? Minus
Minus.
5 plus 1 by 3. Whenever there are two signs like this, plus into minus, minus into minus, rewrite the question. Convert into
Sir,
one sign and take LCM. Yes.
sir, our teacher told if there is two sign, ignore the sign which is there in the middle. Sir.
No, you'll get confused, Mariana. Don't ignore, multiply the sign and do it. Okay, what if you get question like this, 1 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4? Which one will you ignore? Which one?
Mm, that first minus. Sir.
First one, you'll ignore the entire question, right? If you study like this, you have to ignore the entire question. Okay, first sign, what did ma'am tell? Ignore which one?
That plus. Sir.
Where is plus given? There's no plus given here.
Sir, the question, sir.
In this question, I asked you which one to ignore.
Blue colors.
Okay, if I ignore blue color, what should I write? 1 by 2
1 by 2 minus 3 by 4.
minus 3 by 4. This is wrong. Okay, what is minus into minus?
Plus.
Plus. If you ignore, you'll get wrong answer. Understood?
Yes.
The actual thing is 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus 3 by 4. So don't ignore anything. Multiply. Multiplication is very simple. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. You know all those rules, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What's the LCM for this?
Sir, you should arrange it. No, sir.
If you want, you all can arrange it, students. Better take LCM, direct LCM. What's the
How
answer?
many arrange steps?
How many times you want to keep repeating the steps? Arrange this again like this, right? What do you get, Mariana? When you arrange, what do you get? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by
2
5.
by 5.
Why do you want to write arrange this and do instead of the take LCM multiply by what? Into 5 this side, into
Into
3,
3, into 5, into 3.
into 5. Do it in a single step and finish this. Into 3. What do you get? 5 twos are 10 minus
12 plus um, 5 plus 6.
6. Add all the positive numbers. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, sorry, 15 plus 6,
21, sir.
21 minus 12. 21 minus 12. You will get the same answer. You either arrange and do, yes, arrange and do, or take direct LCM and do. 21 minus
-12.
-12. What's the answer?
9.
9 by 15, right?
Yes, sir.
Reduce 9 by 15 to the lowest term. Any numerator by denominator value, you'll have to
3 by 5,
reduce.
sir.
The 3 by 5, sir.
9 by 15, 3 by 5 is the answer. Okay, this is LCM method. One single step, you'll get the answer. Okay, you can arrange like this and what do you get for this? LCM 3, 2 plus 1 is
3.
3. Okay, for this, the denominator 5 is common. -4 plus 2.
-2.
Yeah, it's not 6. Don't add 4 plus 2. It is -4 plus 2. It is minus,
-2. Subtract.
yeah, -2. Then, what is 3 by 3? 3 by 3 is
5.
1, right? 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What do you get?
-2 by 5.
1 minus 2 by 5. We have to, 3 minus 3 is 1, Mariana. 1 minus 2 by 5. Then again take LCM 5. Look, this seems to be complicated. If you don't reduce it, you'll go wrong. 5 ones are 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 by 5. You'll get the same answer. I've taught you in both the methods. You can arrange this and do it. If not, take direct LCM and solve. Any doubt in evaluation for exercise 1A?
So,
Okay, only Lemula doesn't have any doubts. Others will have doubts in other questions.
No, sir.
no, sir.
If you don't respond, how will I understand?
No, sir. Sir, there's one more method, sir.
What is it, Mariana? What's the new method?
3 by 3 by 3 -2 by 5, sir.
Okay, then
Take LCM and do that one, sir.
correct. That is also fine. 3 by 3. You take LCM. What do you get? 3 5s are 15. Aren't you getting the same value like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not same.
No,
Like
sir.
you're supposed, you end up doing the same thing. So instead of arranging and again taking LCM, better you'll take in one step. Take LCM and do it. Whichever you'll feel easier, students. Okay, I'm not forcing you all. Either do it in first method or second method. You'll get the same answer, 3 by 5. Fine. Okay, take down few questions for homework from this main exercise 1A. First main, try the 8th question. Only try these questions. Whatever I give, try this. Second main, try the 4th question. Okay, and next, exercise 1B. In exercise 1B, what's the time? Even exercise 1B, it's of same type. Subtraction. Do you all remember subtraction? Where you have to
Yes,
change
sir.
this
Yes,
A
sir.
minus B. Okay, let me see how many of you all could do that. Exam exercise 1B. In this, I'll give you all first main. Sixth. Okay, Mariana, first main sixth question. Can you see the sign? First main sixth question, exercise 1B.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which one will you ignore? Ignore or
My
multiply? What will you do there?
sir, can you tell, sir?
If you
Ignore.
ignore,
Ignore
if you
it.
ignore, you'll get 0. Okay, you ignore and do it, you'll get 0. Others multiply that, students. When two signs are given, multiply. Okay, second main, ninth question, sixth question. Fine, we'll do one construction question. Do you have geometry box with you all?
So,
Second main fifth question.
Sir, can I go take and come?
Yeah, every day have geometry box with you, Diyashri.
Sir,
Beginning,
yes. 1 second, sir. I'll go take it.
yeah, second main fifth question. These are the questions for homework. We'll start construction. And tomorrow, yeah, the tuition timings. 12 to 1:15. Take down tomorrow's timings, 12 to 1:15.
I'm back, sir.
Fine. First main construction question, open page 211. Try these 4 questions for homework. Along with this, whatever construction you'll do now, you'll have to send a pic. Shall we start with construction?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Page 211, first main, fifth one. Fifth I had given for homework, right? Sixth question. Which one did I give for
So
homework?
fourth you have given for homework. So fifth one we need to do it now.
Okay, fifth. Try the fifth question.
But actually told what are the project questions only will come from midterm, sir.
It's okay. Whatever is left, even that I'll teach you all. Every day one question, right?
Yes, sir.
What if you get that question?
Ma'am told us like the project questions only might come.
Okay. Project question you had around 10, Lamula. Fine, no problem. We have time, right? Every day only one question.
Yes, sir.
If I try to complete this construction, teach construction again, that would take another 3 days. That's the reason I'm doing one question per day. Okay, the question is first main fifth question. It will be like practice. You'll do it. Whatever you didn't get for project, try even those questions. First main fifth one. AB is equals to 6 and that is equals to AC. BC is equals to 4 centimeters.
So first main sixth question, no, sir?
Fifth one. First main fifth one.
Okay, sir.
Sir, AB is the base, no, sir.
Yeah, let me check my data. I'll try the question. AB is equals to 6 and that is yes, try this. Construct. Fine. What is the value of AB given? AB
Centimeters, sir.
6. What is AC then? What is
6
AC?
centimeters, sir.
Both are 6. So take it as AB as 6 and AC as 6. Which is any angle given here? Look at the screen, students. Any angle given?
Sir.
No. So which one will you take base as?
So AB.
AB. AB is greater. Take AB. Draw 6 centimeters. First, construct rough diagram. AB, C and D. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. A, B, C, D. AB is 6 centimeter. What about DC? What's the value of DC? DC or CD? What's the value?
5 centimeters.
So 5 centimeter.
Okay. What about AD? What about AD?
4.5 centimeter.
4.5 centimeters.
Write the values first. First write it in rough diagram. AD is 4.5.
And CB also will be 4.5, sir.
Why CB 4.5? We can't see the value, Lemula.
Sorry.
This is not parallelogram. You meant to say opposite angles, sides are equal?
Yes, sir.
No. It's parallel. What are we constructing? Look, you're not reading the question. You're just copying whatever I'm doing.
First main.
Fifth one. What is first main given? What is given in first main?
Construct a quadrilateral. Sorry, sir.
Construct quadrilateral. It's not parallelogram. Okay, BC is 4 centimeters. Take BC as 4. So AB, construct AB 6 centimeters. There's no angle given. So you can start from A or B, any value.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, your screen is going black and coming back again for me. Can I rejoin?
No, Mariana. Sorry. Yes, there's some problem. Okay. It's system is getting hanged. Just stay online. Now is it fine?
No, yes, sir. Now it's fine, sir.
Yeah, you do it. Do construction. Finish it. Don't worry about the screen. BC is 4. Are you waiting for me to construct? To do it?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Then do it.
Sir, in this you should only cut arcs, no, sir.
Yes. Only cut arcs. There's no angle given. Only if the base should be drawn in scale, using scale, 6 centimeters. Then start from A. What's the length you have to take from A? What's the value? 4 point?
4.5.
4.5 centimeters.
Take it in compass, cut 4.5. Okay, then next, start from B. What's the value from B? Quickly, from B, what's the value? BC is
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. No, is there any AD given? Okay, 4.5. Just a minute, students. The question is CD is 5 centimeters. AB and where is AC given? Okay, can you all see AC given? What's the value of AC? What
6
is AC?
centimeters.
What is AC?
Sir.
No, what is it? What is it? From A to C, students, from A to C, what line is that when you connect A to C?
It's a diagonal, sir.
The diagonal. So even diagonal is given. Nobody recognized this. Diagonal. So draw from A to C. Take 6 centimeters and cut a diagonal like this. Check the values given. AC is 6. So when angle is not given, you require a diagonal. Remember that. If they don't give angle, they'll give a diagonal value. After 6, then draw BC is equals to 4. From B, take 4, you get arc like this. You get a point like this.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Look here, I'll repeat. Draw base AB 6 centimeters. Then draw diagonal. If you want, draw AD. If not, draw diagonal first, AC. So this becomes diagonal, AC. Then connect B and C. That is 4 centimeters. Take 4 centimeters, cut another arc, you'll get a point. Then from A to D, take 4.5, cut an arc. Then what's the other line? What's the next line?
C to D. 5 centimeters.
C to D. Yes. Then connect this. Then C to D, 5 centimeters. From C, take 5 and cut another arc. So remember this, when angle is not given, we need diagonal. Make a note of this. When angle is not given to construct, check for diagonal. Without diagonal, you can't construct. Join the points like this. You get A, B, C, and D. Write all the values. 5, 6, 4.5, 4. That's it. Done.
I got it.
Yeah. So if you're done with this, try the first main, sixth one for homework. Construction. First main, sixth one for homework. So first main is done. Next week we'll finish second main. After the third and fourth main, even construction will get over. Okay, try the first main, sixth one. How many of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then measure the values
Sir,
using.
I'm not getting it. Measured it, sir. It's correct.
Do it properly, Diyashri. Start from AB 6 centimeters. Show me what you have got. Okay, I'll
Sir,
teach you later. Other.
okay. Sir, yes, sir. Now it's coming a bit proper.
Yeah, lemula. What is it, lemula?
Me, sir.
Did you ask anything?
Sir,
I got it, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay. First draw AB, students. Look here. I'll repeat again. First AB. Then draw diagonal 6 centimeters AC. Okay. Whoever didn't get this, first draw AB 6. Then AC diagonal. Remember this point. When angle is not given, look out for diagonal. After base, draw diagonal. Then from B, connect. Draw base. Then from A, take 6 centimeters, cut an arc. This is a diagonal arc. Then from B, cut another arc 4 centimeters. Join this with the diagonal. Then from C to D, take 5 centimeters. Then from A to D, 4.5. You get 4 arcs like this. 5, 4.5, 6, 4. That's it. And first main sixth. With this, include first main sixth question for homework. Total 5 questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mariana.
Sir, I got confused in the 6th one, sir.
That is homework, Mariana.
Sir,
Try
yes,
it for homework.
I don't know the homework, sir.
First main sixth question. AB is given, AD is
Sir,
given.
no, sir, I don't know how to do.
Okay, I'll teach you tomorrow.
Question also, sir.
Done. Look here. AB is given. You're not even trying, Mariana. Just reading the question.
So one of
As
my
easy as it.
friend did it differently, so I got confused.
Okay, if your friend does it differently, you can ask her. Whatever I teach, you do it. Okay, if you want, ask from your friend and learn it. Fine. From each one, you copy different construction. How will you understand? You have to try it, right?
Yes.
From each student, you pick one construction. When will you learn? Try this, Mariana. Take base and diagonal is given. Can you see the diagonal AD 5 centimeters?
Yes, sir.
That question. If your friend has done differently, you do one thing. Cancel this. Whatever your friend has done, you can learn from her. Even that is correct. Okay. Okay, that's it for today.